So hi, today I'm going to discuss about asset class. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel MCV Solutions for Learning. Asset class is used to classify the assets. Similar assets are classified into one asset class. For example, for computers, we can create one asset class, and for buildings, we can create another asset class. In the asset class, we have to configure the account determination. Account determination is used to create the link between the asset class and the ledgers. And then we have to configure the screen layout rules. This helps to determine the status of fields in the asset master record. Then after that, we have to define the number range interval. After that, we have to create the ledgers. And after this, we have to integrate this general ledger with the account determination. So let's see in SAP how we can do. Okay. In the SPRO screen, you have to go to Financial Accounting New. From there, you have to go to Asset Accounting, then Organization Structure. From there, you have to go to Asset Class. And from the Asset Class, you have to go to the Asset Class. You have to first define the account determination. Okay. Now I'm going to create the new entry. I'm going to give the account determination as 1015. It's the ALL, my company code ALLO, account determination for equipment. Now I'm going to save this. Okay. So the account determination has been created. Now I have to create the screen layout rules. We have to copy from I will copy from general machines. Okay. And I will create of my own. That will be 2015. And I'm creating for equipment. Press enter. It has been copied. Okay. Now save this. After this, you have to go to define number range interval. Give your company code. ALLO. Intervals. Interval. I'm going to create the number range 01 from 100 to 200. Okay, it has been created. Save. Okay. Now we will define the asset class. New entry. I'm going to create my asset class as ALL. Asset class for equipment. Then I have to give the account determination, which I created now. It's 1015 I have created. Then I have to give the screen layout, which is 2015 I have created. And then I have to give the number range, which I have created now is 0, 1. And we can create the include asset. This is for asset under construction, which we don't have to do anything now. We can save this. Okay, that was saved. Now we have to create the ledger for integrating the asset class. Go to new session. FS00. I will create 1023. Our company code is ALLO. Creating APC equipment acquisition and production cost. The account group for this will be asset. It's a balance sheet item, and this is a reconciliation account. APC equipment. Then go to control data. The reconciliation account type is assets. Create bank interest. Have to give the field status group. It will be G067 is for the reconciliation account. And save this. Okay. After this, now we will create the accumulated depreciation account. Give 1024. Create. This is also a reconciliation account. So we have to give G067. Control data. You have to give the reconciliation account set. This is an asset. The balance sheet account. And also it's accumulated depreciation. And we can save this. Next, we can create the loss due to scrap account, which I am giving 4023. Create. This is not a reconciliation account. You have to give us expense. It's a profit and loss account statement. You have to describe. Loss due to scrap. And here just give the G001. Save this. Next, we will create profit on sale. I'm giving the account number 3023. Create. Field status group, we will give G001. And in the account group, we will give income is the revenue, is the profit and loss account, profit on sale. Okay, save this. Now we will create loss on sale, that is 4023.24. I am creating the account. also not a reconciliation account. I'm giving expense, loss on sale, give loss on sale, give the field status group with G001. Okay, save this, and we will create one more account for depreciation, which I am giving 2025. For the liabilities, I'm creating depreciation. And this is also not a reconciliation account, and we will give the field status group. Save this. Now we will see how we will integrate this general ledger with the account determination. Go back. Here you can see integration with the general ledger. First we will see how depreciation area post to general ledger. These are already we have defined, so no need to do anything. Go back and give this assign GL accounts. Select your chart of accounts. Give account determination. From the select your account determination, I have given 1015. Okay, this is the one. Select this and click on balance sheet accounting. And now you have to update this. It's the acquisition and production costs which we have maintained. I maintained 1023. Then loss made on asset retirement without revenue. This is the loss made on scrapping of the asset. We have to give 4023, which I have maintained in the GL. Now I will give gain from asset sale, which is 3023. And also loss from asset sale, I have created 4024. Save this. Okay, go back. Go to depreciation. Select the book depreciation. Okay, give the depreciation account for ordinary depreciation. We have to give the accumulated depreciation 1024. And here we have to give the normal depreciation, which is 2025, which we have maintained. Okay, save this. Go back. Same thing we have to maintain for the depreciation as per the income tax. Here we have to give the accumulated depreciation, which is 1024. And the normal depreciation we have to maintain here is 2025. Okay, and save this. So for both the book depreciation and tax depreciation, we have maintained. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel for more video update. That's all. Thank you.